Hey everyone, it's Marcus here. But this time, I'm not talking tech. Today, we're diving into something crucial for anyone who uses Facebook. The 20 violation guidelines you absolutely have to know. We're talking about the rules that keep your account safe, keep your content up, and most importantly, keep you from getting banned. These guidelines cover everything from hate speech and spam to fake accounts and scams. Trust me, you don't want to end up on the wrong side of these rules. So, whether you're a seasoned Facebook veteran or just starting out, stick around and let's make sure you stay on Facebook's good side. Let's get started. First up, hate speech. It's a hard no on Facebook. Bullying or harassing others. That's a one-way ticket to getting banned. Keep it clean. Explicit content doesn't fly on Facebook. Graphic violence or promoting harm. Yeah, Facebook won't tolerate it. Scams, fraud, fake news, all huge violations. Don't even try it. Nobody likes spam. Keep your content relevant and engaging. Be yourself, be real. Fake accounts will get shut down. Use your own content or get permission. Respect copyright laws. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. That's a big no-no. This should go without saying. But illegal activity is strictly prohibited. You can't use Facebook to incite violence or harm. Promoting terrorism is a serious offense with severe consequences. Any content that endangers children is absolutely unacceptable. We covered this. Hate speech is never okay, period. Treat others with respect. Bullying won't be tolerated. Again, keep it PG. Explicit content isn't allowed. Facebook is not the place for graphic or violent content. You be honest and transparent. Don't try to scam or mislead people. Don't be that person. Keep your content relevant and spam-free. Authenticity matters. Be yourself and don't create fake accounts. So, there you have it. The 20 Facebook violations you absolutely need to avoid. Remember, these guidelines are in place to make Facebook a safer and more enjoyable experience for everyone. By following the rules, you're not just protecting your account, you're contributing to a better online community. Seriously guys, take these guidelines to heart. Don't let a simple mistake cost you your account or get you banned. Be mindful of what you post, be respectful of others, and remember to have fun. That's it for me. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.